There were some midweek games in the Championship last night. Let's review some of the results. Incredibly, Sheffield Wednesday picked up more points, a really good point away at Birmingham. However, they will be slightly disappointed because they were 2-1 up. Damari Gray scored in the 90 plus 9th minute. There are certainly some issues at Birmingham at the moment. If they want to be challenging for playoffs, then really they should be beating Sheffield Wednesday at home. Blackburn lost again at home, and this result's even more disappointing because they were 1-0 up. Swansea, on the other hand, are up to 7th. That's a 2-1 win away at Blackburn. Really good result. Bristol City and Ipswich drew 1-1. And the draws continued in the Championship. There was loads at the weekend as well. Hull City drew 2-2 with Preston. Leicester 1-1 with Wrexham. And Middlesbrough and Stoke was 0-0. Preston will be slightly disappointed. They were 2-0 up after 10 minutes. McBurney scored 2 for Hull though. He's top scorer in the Championship now. A point away for Wrexham's a really good result. And I think actually that keeps Phil Parkinson in a job for another couple of weeks. Leicester just can't finish games at the moment. They've drawn again. And Middlesbrough and Stoke have both had good start to the season. Stoke will probably take that result more than Middlesbrough. Southampton won away at Sheffield United. Again, I think that win keeps Will still in a job. That's a really good result and they performed really well. Chris Wilder was sent off at half-time for booting the ball into the crowd. Another loss for Sheffield United. They did win at Oxford at the weekend. And then Derby scored late against Charlton to rescue a 1-1 draw. There are some games this evening as well. I think there'll be more draws. Millwall will draw with Coventry. I think Norwich will draw with West Brom. But I do think Pompey will win at home to Watford. Pompey have lost 2 games in a row now. But Watford haven't been brilliant away from home. And I expect QPR's attack to be too much for Oxford.